Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Talks Fluence with Durga. And before I start in this video, I would like request to all of you. If you like the video, subscribe my channel and share with your friend and colleagues. Without wasting your precious time, let's get into the video. And today in this video, I gonna talk about very interesting topics and also very imperative topics, right? And the name of topic is how to develop our communication skill, right? And if we talk about communication skills, we know communication skill is how much important for us and how much influence nowadays. And this way I'm bringing these topics again, and in these topics I'm going to mention four strategic techniques which is very crucial. We can't ignore it topics. And if you want to become fluent in English, if you want to improve your skill, then you have to follow these techniques. But I'm not claiming if you follow these techniques then you will be champions in English, you will be fluent in English. But it's a depend on your dedication and consistency and discipline. If you quite disciplined guy, then it is helpful for you, but you have the consistency, and then you will be fluent in English, right? And just I just I'll give you a small example why English communication skill is so important nowadays, right? Because if you want to go for interview, then that times you need good communication skill, right? Interviewer never asks you in Hindi or in your vernacular language. Interviewer always asks in English, and if you are able to give the answer in English, then definitely you will crack down the interview and your chances will be high to enter this particular field. But you don't have confidence in English, you don't have knowledge in English, then your chances will be quite less. And this way I'm requesting to all of you, if you have the time, then you will try to improve your communication skill fastest way and better way. Without further ado, come to the main four strategic techniques. And first technique is reading technique, and a reading technique is one of the techniques which is very impactful and immensely effective, right? And if you read every day from 1 page to 10 page, then it's help you a lot to fluency and also train your mouth muscle, right? Once you train your mouth muscle, then you can easily speak up in front of people, right? Without hesitation, without stuck your word, you can easily deliver which word you want to deliver in front of them. Then if you able to deliver the word, then you feel positive energy and you will be confident, and next time you can easily handle the whatever situations face you. And second technique is writing technique. Writing technique is equally important as reading techniques, right? If you write from 1 pages to 2-3 pages, then it helps you a lot. But initially days you can't write single page, because that times you don't have enough knowledge, if you don't have enough confidence, because that times you are completely a novice and you can write only one paragraph, two paragraph. But over the time you will be able to write 2-3 pages by practicing. And if you will able to write 2-3 pages, then it's help you a lot to improve your communication skills, because it's help you expand your thinking process, and it's change your way of speaking skill, right? And third technique is listening technique. Listening technique is the one of the techniques which is prime techniques of communication skill, and listening techniques play important role for communication skill, right? If you listen more, then you can speak more. Without listening anything, you can't speak anything. Just I want to give a small example. Our childhood life, when we were born, in that times we didn't speak a single word, single phrase, but we were able to speak word, sentences and paragraph. And likewise we can improve our vernacular language, our mother tongue. and likewise we can connect that things in English. And also we have to listen as much as we can, and also that listening things we have to practice in front of people, yeah, in front of colleagues, friend, in front of mirror. But practice play important role for this field, and without practice we can't do anything. And the last technique is speaking techniques. Speaking technique is prime techniques is in this field, because we are going to speaking better, right? We are going to develop our speaking skill. Then speaking skill is a play important role for in this field, and this way, yeah, you have to speak as much as you can, right? But I'm not giving you limitation time. If you speak 10 minutes, yeah, 15 minutes, yeah, 30 minutes, then you will be champion in the English for 20 days, yeah, 30 days, yeah, 45 days. English is not a piece of cake, and you don't think it is a rocket science, right? And I don't want to make this video lengthy, and already you know better than me English communication skill how much important is nowadays. And this way I want to conclude this video now. And if you still haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and colleagues.